0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0? Yeah, we were.
What? Yeah, I'm way bigger than what else. So 2400, and you guys don't point. So you guys are 0. Plus number 3. Okay, so this is why you guys need substitution. So we have x squared. And what this causes x is? 3. X is 3. What's y? So we have 3 times 9 squared. What is 9 squared? And then just 1 first. 81. So now 3 times 81 is what? Okay. What? So you guys can do that right like this. 1 times 3 is 3. 8 times 3 you guys told me. It's 20 first. Alright, so this one. Same thing. You have 3. 10 x plus y. So we're going to have the same number, so x is going to be 3. Y is going to be 9. Same number. Then here's your problem. I'll come for it. It's all I have here. Number 3 is going to work here.
I'm gonna be sorry.
I don't think it's ever said. You just reminded me.
Excuse me.
Hey, what do we do first with this problem? 3 plus 9. What is 3 plus 9?
12.
12. So now I have 3 times 12 divided by 4. What do we do first?
3 times 12.
Do 3 times 12. What is 3 times 12?
What's 1?
I'm sorry, there's too much giggling and moving around now.
36.
And then we would do 36 divided by 4.
Number 2?
Wait,
2,500. Wait for the problem.
So, Elena had said before when I asked what do we do first, and she said the division. If I did the division, 12 divided by 4 would give us what?
3.
And then we do 3 times 3 gives us what?
9.
Still gives us the same answer, but you should go from left to right. Okay? So you do the same, but...
Wait, what's number 3?
Alright, I gotta take attendance real quick. Go ahead and put your computers away. Gave you guys some freebies.